Let's learn the shapes. Circle. No sides. A ball is circle. Square. 4 sides. A box is square. Triangle. 3 sides. Pizza is triangle. Rectangle. 4 sides. Doormat is rectangle. Oval. No sides. Watermelon is oval. Diamond. 4 sides. Kite is diamond. Star. 5 points. Starfish is a star. Heart. No sides. Donut is a heart. Thank you for watching. Bye.